No doubts? Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English that you might have heard often, no doubts. It's a short phrase but packed with meaning, and understanding it can really help you in everyday conversation. So, let's get started on breaking it down for you. When someone asks, no doubts, they're essentially asking if you are completely sure or certain about something. It's a way of confirming that you understand something thoroughly and have no questions or uncertainties about it. For example, after explaining directions to someone, you might ask, no doubts, to make sure they understand and don't need any further clarification. It's similar to asking, any questions, but with a slight nuance. While any questions is a direct invitation to ask more, no doubts suggests that you are checking for final confirmation. No doubts can be used in various contexts, but it's most commonly found in educational settings, workplaces, or when giving instructions. In classrooms, a teacher may use it after explaining a concept. In meetings, a leader might say it to confirm that the team understands the project plan. While giving instructions, anyone might use it to ensure the listener has understood. It's a friendly, conversational way to check in on someone's understanding without putting them on the spot. The tone when asking, no doubts, is important. It should be open and friendly, signaling that it's okay to have questions. The goal is to encourage understanding and provide a space for any needed clarification. The phrase can be seen as both reassuring and a sign of due diligence in communication. It shows that the speaker cares about the listener's understanding and is willing to help clear up any confusion. If you're asked, no doubts, there are a few ways you can respond. If you understand, simply saying, no, I'm good, or, no doubts, thanks, is perfect. If you have questions, it's the right time to ask them. You can say, actually, I do have a question, or, I'm not sure about something. Your response is important as it lets the other person know whether they need to provide more information or if they can move on to the next topic. Thank you for watching. We hope this video clears up any doubts you had about using the phrase, no doubts. Remember, it's all about making sure communication is clear and that everyone is on the same page. So next time you're in a situation where you've shared information, feel free to use this phrase and ensure everyone's understanding. Until next time, keep learning, and no doubts about it. Keep practicing your English.